Self-care is essential for well-being. Schedule time for self-care the way you schedule time for school and work. Self-care is refueling your body, like putting gas in your car or charging your phone or laptop. Eat a nutritious meal, drink water, sleep 6 to 8 hours a night. Take a power nap. Eat a healthy snack. Self-care is also giving your mind a break from thinking about school, work, and problems. It's like pushing the pause button on a podcast or pushing the end button on the Zoom screen. Play. Board games, video games, sports. Create for fun. Make art, make music, make food, make videos, do improv, sing, rap, write poetry, write blog posts, dance. Be in nature. Hike, walk, bike, swim. Meditate. Self-care is not selfish. Caring well for yourself empowers you to care for others and be more effective in learning and service.